basic rundown?
Pretty much it's a 92 R32, 2017. Had it imported, and when I got it, it was completely stock. Nothing done to it. The paint wasn't like this. They got kind of like a cheaper Mako paint job on it. Just had it redone. My buddy who works at Red Dynamics, Jeff and Nicky, he repainted the whole car, stripped it all completely down, got it all back to the original color where it was. And when it was first spraying it, it kind of looked off to him because it wasn't the same silver as what I had it, but they used the wrong color. But I did all the carbon fiber to it, all seam-on, carbon in the hood, trunk, wing, flap. It's got just bolt-ons on it on some LMGT4s, wheels, full exhaust on it, tuned down in Florida. We went in.
How much horsepower?
Probably mid-threes or so, I'd say. Yeah. So the headlights on them from Japan, they were like candle lights. So I ended up having two of my friends, Taylor and Robbie, help me out, and we did got all the parts from the retrofit source, and they're all Morimoto's 5.0 projectors with demon eyes in them. So it's so much nicer now that at night you can see the nice cut off, and it's a lot brighter now than it was.
So how'd you import it? Did you go to Japan yourself, or did you like...
A friend of mine, David, was in Japan at the auctions, and he was there when they were doing the bidding and stuff, and he ended up bidding for the car and had it shipped over here. He's from Ohio, and we ended up having the car shipped over and got it here. So I got it in 2017. So, but it was pretty nice. It was just 25 years, because the build date on this was in January. Oh, no, sorry, December. I had to wait in the port until January 1st because the build date was December to get to 25 years. So then after that, it was legal to get it imported. And that's pretty much the history of it. Is I'm the only owner of it. It's got no rust on it, no frame damage, nothing. It's all, like I said, it was a complete stock car when I got it. And just little by little, with the help of my friends, just kind of putting it together and stuff.
What about the interior? It came like that? Have you done anything?
We ended up going with the R34 seats, which I was told that you couldn't fit R34 seats in a 32. Well, if you move the bracket over, it'll make it work. And then had just some interior reupholstery on there. Had my buddy actually 3D print me some gauges into the ducts, so therefore I still got my air conditioning coming out, but I still got my gauges there. But other than that, it's pretty much stock in the interior on it, and just got the Android radio, so that way I can have the Bluetooth and the GPS and Google and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it for the interior. Everything else is just kind of I just kind of wanted to do a clean build on it. Don't go too extreme because it's not like a race car, but I wanted to make a show car, but I still wanted to make it kind of somewhat still drivable, but still kind of original. So that's kind of the theme I kind of got going for it.
You go to a lot of shows?
I go to quite a bit of like local shows around here. The last show I did was a Tuner Revolution in Chicago. It was my first year going to that, and that was really good. I mean, I had a really good time going there. So I'll probably be back for that one. But
I'm sure this is a crowd winner.
It is definitely pulls a lot of people. But you got to go to the right shows. There's some shows I've been to that I don't know who they are.
Yep.
But the one show I do want to make next year is Gatlinburg down in
Gatlinburg?
Tennessee. Yeah, I want to make it to that one. A bunch of my buddies went down there, and that's the one show I want to make it to next year. But
have you done anything to the engine?
The engine just has an upgraded turbo from an R34, a Blitz intercooler, full exhaust, R35 inject, R35 coil packs. So you got to get rid of all that 92 crap on there. And then had it tuned by an RSP down in Florida, and that's really about it. So like around we have set for high boost for about 17 pounds. 17. Yeah, and then low boost is around like 10. We just got an HKS electric boost controller, so I just drive around on low boost around town. But
what kind of exhaust?
It's a full 3-inch VR exhaust. So, but yeah, it's 3-inch all the way back. We actually, to get rid of some of that droning, we wrapped the whole exhaust from the back of the turbo downpipe all the way to the tip.
And that helped with the droning?
Yeah, it helped out with the droning on it.
Like a good deal or like a little bit?
I noticed it because like in third gear going on the highway, you would hear that really like loud it's more of a deeper sound now. So it kind of like retains the heat more in there and kind of lets it all go out at once. Because with these cars, they have they have 4 spots where they connect, and right where they connected, we heat wrapped all that, so there's no exhaust escaping anywhere out of it.
Yeah.
So it's got that constant flow going all the way to the back. So I mean, it helped out though.
You have any plans for it?
Yes. The plan for the winter is there's a guy named Steve. Steve, he makes the infinity lights. He also was the one, if you look up the DeLorean from SEMA, he made the lights for the DeLorean, for the SEMA DeLorean, and he's the one that's patented the infinity lights for it. So he's supposed to be doing another batch around December, so I'm on the list, so we'll have the infinity lights on it. So that'll be the next thing on there, and then, I don't know, we'll see. I kind of want to go to E, but if I go E, I think I want to get a bigger turbo and then a standalone, but that may be down the road. But over the winter, we'll get the infinity tail lights, and I think with those tail lights, it should complete the outside on it, I think, and then we can work on the engine or something with the interior. I like to do something with the seats, maybe get them wrapped in leather with the Nismo badges on them, but we'll see. Time will tell.
All right. Any final words?
No, just pretty much stay humble. The way to do it, man.
Well, thank you for your time, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Were you dead set on this car? Like, you definitely wanted a 32?
Yeah, I wanted a 32, but if the price wasn't there and stuff, I would have went second for a Supra. But I really wanted a 32, just kind of playing Gran Turismo when I was little.
Yep.
I always picked 32. That's what I wanted. So it ended up working out.
So long, gay boys!